The Collision Mitigation Braking System, CMBS, is part of Honda Sensing, our intelligent suite of safety and driver-assistive technologies. CMBS applies brakes when an unavoidable collision is determined. CMBS uses a front wide-view camera mounted at the top of the windshield to monitor the roadway ahead when the vehicle reaches 3 miles per hour. The system activates in varying conditions, including if the speed difference between your vehicle and another vehicle, a pedestrian or moving bicycle, is about 3 miles per hour or more with a chance of collision. If your vehicle speed is about 18 miles per hour or less and there is a chance of a frontal collision with a detected oncoming vehicle when you turn left at an intersection. If your vehicle speed is about 62 miles per hour or less and the system determines there is a chance of a collision with a stationary or oncoming vehicle, a pedestrian, or moving bicycle detected in front of you. Activation will be canceled when your vehicle stops or the system determines there is no longer the potential for a collision. The system may also be canceled when the driver operates the steering wheel, the brake, or the accelerator to avoid a collision. CMBS will provide visual and audible alerts of a possible collision and stops the alerts if a collision is avoided. You can adjust when the alerts begin. First, make sure the vehicle is parked and the power is on. Press the Home button on the touchscreen. Touch Vehicle Settings. Select Driver Assist System Setup. Touch Forward Collision Warning Distance. Make your selection from these 3 choices: long, when your vehicle is still farther from the obstacle; normal, the default setting; or short, when you're closer to the obstacle. In the unlikely event that you want to turn this valuable feature off, here's how. While parked with the power on, press the safety support switch to the left of the steering column. Roll the selector wheel on the right side of the steering wheel until the CMBS symbol is highlighted in the DII and press. A check mark next to the CMBS symbol will go off and the symbol will change from green to gray to signal that the system is off. CMBS will remain off until you turn it back on using this procedure or until you restart the engine. See your vehicle's owner's manual for more details or go to owners.honda.com for a downloadable version.